Now, question 14. The diagram shows a regular decagon, a 10-side shape with all sides equal and all interior angles equal. The decagon has a center O. The perimeter of the shape is 80 cm. So we have 80 cm. The whole perimeter is 80 cm. By considering the triangle OAB, calculate the area of the hinge side shape. So you want to calculate the area of the whole shape. And your answer should be 1 decimal places. Now the whole perimeter itself is 18 centimeter. And then you have 10 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have 10 sides. So each side, the length should be, the perimeter is 80 cm. You have 10 sides. Each side should be, what's the length for each side? People, if you know the answer, can you key in the chat box? 8. Why? Because it's 80 divided by 10 become 8 centimeter. So you know that AB itself is 8 centimeter. Let's draw that out. And you know that you are given that these two lengths is equal. This one and this one is equal. So we have the triangle and we have two sides have equal length. We call this an isosceles triangle. If we know that it's isosceles triangle, we know that these two angles are the same. So I will call this angle alpha. And we know that a circle itself is 360 degrees, right? And you are dividing into 10 sections. Dividing into 10 sections. So each section, this angle, what do you think it is? What's the value of that angle? The whole thing is 360. You divide by 10 sections. 10 is not right. So the whole thing, the whole thing is 360 degrees, and you divide, and then you divide it into 10, then it becomes 36 degrees. Now we know that for a triangle, the total angle of a triangle is 180. This is the rule that you need to know. So we know that 2 alpha plus 36 equal to 160. So alpha is 180, take away 36 divided by 2. Yeah, you move this to the other side and then divide by 2. Okay. So what's alpha? So 180 minus 36 divided by 2. If you key into calculator, it will be 72 degrees. Now, we know that this is 72 degrees. Now, remember that our whole point is to calculate the area. If we know the area of this, we just need to multiply by 10, then it gives you the whole area, all right? So we need to figure out the area of this triangle. To figure out the area of this triangle, we need to find this length. Now we have alpha, we have 36, we have 8. One thing you need to use, I know that this have a lot of rules that you need to know, so you need to use sine rule. Sine rule is you sine of the angle 36 and you take the opposite length, okay? Side the angle, take the opposite length, which is 8. And then you sine this angle and take the opposite length. So I will sine 72 divided by OB. Okay? So now you need to rearrange. OB, you bring this up, and then you bring this down, bring this up. OB is sine 72 divided by sine 36 times 8. Can anyone? 12.944. Now, so we know that this length is 12.944. Now remember that the area of triangle is half AB sine C. Okay. This is angle C, this is A, this is B. So to find the area of triangle is half AB sine C. All you need to do is to key in. Substitute the number. So A is 12.944. B is also 12.944. And C itself is 36 degrees. Then you will get the area of triangle. You calculate that. And then the area of the decagon will be just 10 times the area of triangle. That's your answer. 3.77, and then you just multiply by 10 for the area of decagon. That will be 837.7 cm squared.